Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Practice English Hub. Today, we're going to practice English together through real-life conversations at the train station. In this video, you'll learn useful English sentences commonly used when buying tickets, finding platforms, waiting for trains, asking for information, handling travel situations, and communicating confidently during your journey. This lesson is perfect for beginner and intermediate English learners who want to improve English speaking for travel, build confidence in real-life situations, practice listening and pronunciation, learn natural travel English, communicate more comfortably at train stations. As always, listen carefully to each sentence first.
I cannot mimic the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. However, I can read the text in a warm, patient, clear, and instructional tone for company training, emphasizing clarity and understanding with natural pauses between steps. Would you like me to do that?
Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every sentence you practice brings you one step closer to speaking English with confidence. Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is to communicate clearly, naturally, and confidently. So put on your headphones, relax, and let's begin today's English shadowing practice at the train station. Part 1. Arriving at the train station. Excuse me. Is this the train station? Excuse me, is this the train station? I need to catch a train. I need to catch a train. Where is the main entrance? Where is the main entrance? This station is very busy today. This station is very busy today. What time is the next train? What time is the next train? I think I'm a little early. I think I'm a little early. Let's check the schedule. Let's check the schedule. There are many people here. There are many people here. I'm excited about my trip. I'm excited about my trip. I hope I don't miss my train. I hope I don't miss my train. Part 2. Buying a ticket. I'd like to buy a ticket. I'd like to buy a ticket. One ticket, please. One ticket, please. How much is the ticket? How much is the ticket? What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave? Is there a direct train? Is there a direct train? I'd like a round-trip ticket. I'd like a round-trip ticket. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Which platform should I go to? Which platform should I go to? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Part 3. Finding the right platform. Excuse me, where is platform 3? Excuse me, Where is platform 3? Which platform is for London? Which platform is for London? Am I in the right place? Am I in the right place? The signs are easy to follow. The signs are easy to follow. Let's check the information board. Let's check the information board. I think my train is arriving soon. I think my train is arriving soon. There are many trains today. There are many trains today. I'll wait near the platform. I'll wait near the platform. Thanks for the directions. Thanks for the directions. Now I know where to go. Now I know where to go. Part 4. Waiting for the train. The train hasn't arrived yet. The train hasn't arrived yet. We still have some time. We still have some time. Let's sit over there. Let's sit over there. I'll wait near the door. I'll wait near the door. The station is very clean. The station is very clean. I enjoy watching the trains. I enjoy watching the trains. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. I brought a book to read. I brought a book to read. The train should arrive soon. The train should arrive soon. I'm ready to board. I'm ready to board. Part 5. Boarding the train. Here comes the train. Here comes the train. Let's get on board. Let's get on board. Please mind the gap. Please mind the gap. This is my seat. This is my seat. Is this seat available? Is this seat available? I'll put my bag here. I'll put my bag here. The train looks comfortable. The train looks comfortable. Everyone is finding their seats. Everyone is finding their seats. We're ready to leave. We're ready to leave. The journey is starting. The journey is starting. Part 6. Talking during the journey. Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Where are you traveling today? Where are you traveling today? That's a beautiful view. That's a beautiful view. This train is very comfortable. This train is very comfortable. How long is the trip? How long is the trip? I travel by train often. I travel by train often. It's a relaxing way to travel. It's a relaxing way to travel. The scenery is amazing. The scenery is amazing. Time is passing quickly. Time is passing quickly. I'm enjoying the ride. I'm enjoying the ride. Part 7. Asking for information. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, can you help me? When will we arrive? When will we arrive? Is this the next stop? Is this the next stop? How many stops are left? How many stops are left? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? I didn't hear the announcement. I didn't hear the announcement. Which station comes next? Which station comes next? Thank you for the information. Thank you for the information. That's very helpful. That's very helpful. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. Part 8. Delays and travel problems. The train is running late. The train is running late. There seems to be a delay. There seems to be a delay. Do you know what's happening? Do you know what's happening? I'll check for updates. I'll check for updates. Hopefully it won't take long. Hopefully it won't take long. These things sometimes happen. These things sometimes happen. Let's stay patient. Let's stay patient. Thanks for keeping us informed. Thanks for keeping us informed. The train is moving again. The train is moving again. Everything is fine now. Everything is fine now. Part 9. Arriving at the destination. We're almost there. We're almost there. This is my stop. This is my stop. Let's get ready to leave. Let's get ready to leave. Don't forget your belongings. Don't forget your belongings. Thank you for the pleasant trip. Thank you for the pleasant trip. The journey was smooth. The journey was smooth. I enjoyed traveling by train. I enjoyed traveling by train. It's great to be here. It's great to be here. Let's head to the exit. Let's head to the exit. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Part 10. Travel confidence and motivation. Traveling helps us learn new things. Traveling helps us learn new things. Every trip is an adventure. Every trip is an adventure. It's exciting to explore new places. It's exciting to explore new places. New experiences help us grow. New experiences help us grow. Confidence comes with practice. Confidence comes with practice. Every journey begins with a single step. Every journey begins with a single step. Keep exploring the world. Keep exploring the world. Enjoy every moment of the trip. Enjoy every moment of the trip. Great memories start with travel. Great memories start with travel. Have a safe journey home. Have a safe journey home. Excellent work today. You practiced useful English expressions for train travel, buying tickets. Remember, travel is one of the best ways to use English in real life. Every sentence you repeat helps you become more comfortable speaking English when traveling, exploring new places, and meeting new people. Keep listening. Keep shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Small improvements in speaking can make your travel experiences easier, more enjoyable, and more rewarding. Thank you so much for learning with Practice English Hub today. I hope this lesson helped you feel more confident using English at train stations and during your travels. Stay curious. Keep exploring. Keep learning. And most importantly, keep speaking English every day. I'll see you in the next English shadowing practice. Bye for now, and have a safe journey wherever you're going.